she say wetin, she say she wan call police for me when e be say I dey, that is na me dey right o, na me dey right. I get my receipt for hand, I get everything. Once again to my Ogbonge channel, you all are welcome to my channel. Yeah guys, thanks for being here, thanks for stopping by on my channel again to watch my video. I am so grateful. Merry Christmas to you all and a prosperous happy new year to come. If you are new here, please kindly endeavor to subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell, as na here we dey share the matter as e dey hot. But today here when I bring come na one whether na worst experience when I get for this 2020 for shopping mall. Okay, there are like about 3 of them, but I no want make the video too bored. I go share the other ones on Saturday on live video, so try to join me on Saturday in the evening on live so that I go share the remaining parts with una. But I just want share this one with una for this video, so because this one now you wake me pass for all of them, short all the worst experience when I get for shopping malls for this 2020. Now this particular one I want share with una, now you wake me pass. If you don't fail subscribe for this channel before, I appreciate you. God will continue to bless you. So my people, make I begin the mark this thing when it be say it shock me, like it weak me. Okay, make I begin like the share am with una. And I said they'll share this my experience with una, so I beg, I want the thing will make me even decide say I go share this thing come out. Okay, I want maybe say like me and learn something for this thing. Number one, stand on your right. Okay, especially when you know say you dey right. If you like, they say they won't call Koti for you, they won't call anything for you, stand put for that your right, but be very sure say you dey right for wetin you dey talk or for wetin you dey lay claims to. Okay, and number two, whenever you go for shopping, your receipt always collect am. If you like maybe say na 1 cent something now you buy, collect your receipt. And when you return something too, that receipt still collect am. Is very important. Now my experience start like this. As we know, my people, we know say na inside December now we dey for so we dey do shoppings, we dey do everything, both for house, clothes for kids, shoe, and so on and so forth. So now my sister carry go shop. I said ma go shop for my children for this sales period. That was before the lockdown. Okay, so I said make I go shop now. At the part different shop they go get clothes and all that. And I said okay, let me get shoes for my kids. Okay, my main aim for going to that shop was to just get Christmas and New Year shoes for them. Okay, not be say maybe I want like pack battalions of shoe or normal something, no. But as I come reach there, I come see that they make sales. Okay, they were really making sales in that place. All shop for every year now, I believe say the day on sales, even up till now. If you want to order online, they are all on sales. So my people, as I reach the shop, I can't see that they do sales. As I can't see they do sales, which my intention not to just buy Christmas and New Year shoes for my kids. Okay, so as I can't see that they do sales, a lot of shoes like this school shoes, this normal shoes where they say children say they go school. As now no, next year na still another year and school go still resume. So as I could see all these shoes, I see they just beat them down, you know. Some of them were like 70% sales, some of them were like 50% sales, and they are really good quality. Now I say this thing good though. As the opportunity come back once, because like parents out there, those of now maybe say it get kids when they go school. I believe so maybe as they want to enter another new year, so maybe you would like to change 1 or 2 things for their materials so they go school. So that opportunity I can't take and say okay, make I just like buy one or two school shoes join the shoes when I be just come by. So I come pick because they were really, really affordable. Okay, I won't lie about that. They were really, really affordable. So at the end of the day, I come pick 10 shoes, 10 altogether. Plus the Christmas one when I be say I be go there go buy o. Plus the one where they put for sales for children's school shoes and all that. Everything come be 10 pairs of shoes. So I carry and go where they pay for the castle for there. So as I carry and go where they pay, now I come they calculate everything. I think it was everything was around about 150 to 160 euros like that. So I come do this thing, I come pay. As I pay, I collected my receipt. Okay, and as I go there, I no go there with my kids. Okay, so I not just feel really like say okay make I try the shoes for them, which one go enter and which one no go enter, because you know say kids their leg they big big, so we as mothers when we want get something for them we still get like maybe for instance pikin dey use 21, you go say okay make you get 22. Okay, so that you go still use am small before the leg go still big pass am. So my people, na it happen. So as I get those 10 pairs of shoes, so I come as I reach house, then I come dey try am for my kids. So the ones when I buy say na for the Christmas and the New Year, e enter them. Okay, but fortunately I can't get one for inside. My husband come to say you know like that one, say we need to return that one, say him get another one when he want order for online. So now I say okay no problem, that is one of the one wey be say they supposed to do Christmas and New Year. So the ones when they be say me I select for schools and everything, so they come dey pull leg for those ones. So as they pull leg for those ones, e no enter, and I no lie on my people, the thing really pain me. Okay, because now one size ahead now I be buy before, but as una know sometimes these sizes that they small, that they see just they like they see big 20, small 20, medium 20 and I saw those kind of things they be, and the thing really pain me, you know, because those shoes they were really good qualities, and they were at affordable price. The price where they did before where they beat them down, they know they near there. Okay, so I go say okay what's I go do, make I carry and go back, maybe go check whether I will see bigger sizes. So as I want go, my husband say okay what's the name, okay you know they go work that day, so we just gather go. I think it was on a weekend, yes, it was not working, so all of us come gather go, even the kids, everybody come gather go. My husband say okay make him just go check maybe whether he go find something when he fancy for that Christmas where we return join us, make we change am. So my people, all together I can't return 6 pairs of shoes. I think it was 6, yes, 6 pairs of shoes from that 10 pairs when maybe buy. I can't return 6 pairs of shoes. So as we reach there, they say yeah what will happen, I need to first drop that one when I want come return first. I need to drop out with them. For most shop that they do one, they not going to make carrier enter it. I say you want to go find another one, they say I need to drop that one with them first. When I find any other one where I won't come collect, then I go bring and come, then they do minus and subtraction. My people, now so the something take happen now. So we come enter really, my man come check, he can't really see waiting in fancy. Okay, for that Christmas and New Year wey be say we return. Okay, but those other ones when I be return for the normal school I no come see sizes wey big pass like that, and the thing pain me, I no go lie. So I can't take that one. So as I can't take that one, then I can't see one other shoe again like that. It's also very nice, and they still beat the price down, a very good marker too for shoe for kids. So I can't take that one for my girl. Okay, so now it can't making 2 shoes like that when I come collect again. And one of these shoes, one can cost I think it was 40 euros or so, yes, as a reduce it can be 40 euro, and the other one can be about 35 euros or so, yes, because it was also on sale. So everything together it can be like 75 euro, my people. So now I can return the, I can't carry and go give them for where they for the pay. As I can't go give them for where they for the pay. So the woman now come first slot those ones when I return, those 6 pairs of shoes when I return, she can't slot am. So my own dey, I be dey think say okay, after she slot everything finish, she go first give me that money first before she go slot the new ones now when I buy, you know. Na so I be dey think am. But as she just slot everything, she come say where the new ones when I collect. Now I can't give her, so she can't say okay, she need to minus and come up for the main money. Okay, so now she minus her. As she minus her, at the end of the day, she come dey tell me say I need to still pay. I think it was about €5 plus. I need to pay €5 plus to her. I look my husband, I look my children, I said, me, I need to pay for you. I returned 6 pairs of shoes. She said yes, because the ones, those two when me come collect now, they are more expensive than those ones when I return, because those ones when I return, they are just normal schools shoes where be say they beat down well to 70% sales. Okay, say so e no cover am. Now I say really? He say yes. I can't say okay, but within me, my people, I was not sure. I was not sure. I had even thought that she was supposed to balance me. She supposed give me change safe. Not be saying na me go give her money. But being as the whole thing be, and they were about to close, now I said okay, no problem. I can give her the €5 and some coins. So as I give her, then she come down now to mark. That is for the former receipt, the first receipt when I first get, when I take buy the 10 pairs of shoe. She come need to take bio, take mark the ones when I return. Okay, so she come mark them with bio. As she mark all of them with bio, then she can't give me the new receipt where be say she take slot those old ones when I that is the first ones when I buy, when she take slot and say she don't minus and see the amount, say me can pay €5 plus amount. That was the new receipt. So I can't pack my shoe. I pack my shoe. So she can't ask me say what that first receipt, whether make she take her. Say she go like take her because she need to put her for inside this thing, their document, something like that, so that make them know say okay, now special person return. So she asked me. So being that I wasn't sure, I know they sure say now me supposed to still balance her. I was having it in my mind that she was supposed to balance me instead, because I returned 6 pairs of shoes. So now I said no, now I say give me that old this thing, that old receipt, the one when I don't fit take buy the first set of shoes, give it to me. So she goes okay, then she need to copy and put inside their system. Now I say okay, copy it and give it to me. So she can't copy and as she copy and finish, she can't give me. Okay, so now I carry on both the new one when I take buy those 2 latest pairs of shoes now we cost €75 plus. So I carry on, I can't come house. As we dey come for road, I just dey complain for my husband. I say these people they cheat me for this shoe. How come I return 6 pairs of shoes? They come dey tell me say na me go still balance there. So now my husband say even cheat into the thing like confusing, but you know when I first go there, he not follow me go there, so he not just really know. But maybe na so it be, or if not, since the receipt they deal with me, if I reach out make I check am. Now I say okay, no problem. So my people, my sister come reach house. As I reach house, the thing self not even give me reach house. Now inside bus, as we dey inside bus, now they check the something they come. I dey check am, because I know every shoes when I buy for them and every one when I return. So as I dey inside bus, now I felt detect say e get one particular shoe when it be say I return that shoe, that one cost €20, about €19.90 or so. The woman mark am for that old receipt when it be say I first take buy the shoe, but she no minus am comot from the new one, the new receipt where she give me. Now I say okay, I don't see where the fault dey. So I can say okay, I go back there. So my people, as I don't go back there, so my husband just quickly advise me say what will go happen. This new set of shoes we buy, so the 2 will be €75 plus, carry and follow body go, so that they go understand the something well. Now I say okay sir. So now I carry the shoe, I really go. That day was really, really stressful for me. And that day, the weather cold. If you dey for my location, you go know say the thing wey like people dey complain well say no go for this my location, be weather. Because the weather, when they talk say somebody is unstable, e dey unstable pass person wey drunk sef. Okay, if rain no dey fall, breeze go dey blow. If breeze no dey blow, heavy cold go dey. If heavy cold no dey, rain go like, it's crazy. Okay, and that day the weather was drizzly and it was -2. I finished from my finish from where I fit go. From there I go another place again before I come finish all my like small something so that they do during the day. I come say make I go there around 2. So as I go there, I just can't remember say get some things where be say there's still put for sales for other shops. So I come to make go that shop, go buy and for them. If I dey come back, I go follow this shop so for sure. My people, now so the thing take happen. Inside the -2 degree for cold. Now my sister take follow match go this place. As I reach there, I come meet the person where they this thing where they for the pay for their counter for the way they for the pay. So I can't bring the 2 receipts come out. Now I can't show her. So I show her. Now I say, see, now be this one, okay? Because for me, I'm not so good in speaking German. When it comes to German, I'm not there so fluent, okay? But when I feel only I can write, I feel like I'm very well, okay? It go there very difficult. So you make sentence, I not feel writer. I can write it very well. I write more than I can speak, okay? But I dey understand the language. I understand more than I can speak, but not too fluent in speaking like that. So being I say the way I just speak the German for the woman, you know, say when you speak German for person, when you be say he really understand German, you know German well, the person go just know say, this one, okay, now manage the she not to know the language like that. Now I explain for the woman. As I explain for the woman, you won't fair talk. He say, I cannot do anything about it. I am sorry. I was not the one that was here that day. Now my sister fell open my door. Open my for it like as I did so. Now say, how you go tell me say no be you there for here, say you no go fit do anything. Now say I believe say everything where everybody they buy for here, una they slaughter me inside my system. If they inside this system, then you can help me to check it out. No, be she there for here. She don't tell me say she no go fit do anything. This one that and this person that is talking to me is a foreigner like me. Not be saying a German person. Now foreigner as me dey. Now so this woman dey so. You understand me? So then I say like it's me say maybe I know they like they fluent for the language speaking like that. So if she come like say she want override me. No, I don't tell you. I don't feel do anything. No, not be me dey here that day. I beg. I don't feel do anything. Now then I say you dey. Now say you dey crazy. Now begin scatter the German anyhow when I know. I say you dey mad. How you will tell me say I can't shop for here? I shop 10 pairs of shoe, I return 6, I bought another 2, which you guys are supposed to balance me 19 euro 90 cents, almost 20. I should dash you my money. Now you tell me you dey wacko. The woman come say I pay open eye for her. You not just talk. You don't tell me. I beg me shift because some other people they need to come to the counter so that they go pay for what they buy. I put for head again. I said, I can't clean my hair. I clean and wear. Still like, I dey see where so. I've been a dream my day. I need to wake up, you know? Before you know, they measure police. So, you don't want any of this disturbance. If not, this thing will just call police. Now say, now say, they tell you say, I be that kind of person when you be say, man. They talk say, if they go call police, I go, they go, now say, now lie you go call the police. Now say, and if you not call them, me I go help you call am. Now say because I can't be right and you want to try to intimidate me just because of what? Now say you are a foreigner like me. That's what I tell the woman. Now say I know that you are a foreigner like me. I say so no come talk say maybe because you speak the language past me. Say you own one form say you be German. Now say you're not a German. You are a foreigner like me. Then she begin, now say call police. Oh, now say if you don't call police, now begin they eat their table for them. Now say if you don't call police today, me I go help you call police. Now say if first come to the words, if I cannot speak my fluent German, then I write it so that I will make them to know what I'm trying to say. And I say, sister, I don't hope wife for her like that now. If say like she come like fear, and she come tell me say okay, and make I calm down, and me I dey misunderstand. Now say don't tell me what I know. I understand every German that you speak. The fact that I cannot speak it fluently does not mean that I do not understand you. I understand you perfectly well. You are telling me that you cannot do anything because you are not the one that was here that day. That is what you are telling me, my people. So then she come tell me say, may I calm down? And the thing be say, she need, even though say she's check calm, but she need to confirm from the person wey be say he dey for the shop that day. The person need to tell him whether na she make mistake, because it could be say na me make mistake. Now I say no. Now I say you no fit expect me say I enter this weather -2. Come do wetin? You feel say I no just get work, or I too dey feel hot for house. I say make cool mama me, make deaf my ear. I come say I wan come enter, come dey talk nonsense. Okay, man, no vex. But the thing I say be say the person not there. Wetin go happen? Make I go come back. Now I no fit go come back. Now say where the person go? Say go on break. Now say okay, you can call the person. They say, man, no vex. So you no go fit call her because she herself too don't fit go for break. And the person ain't there for shop. So now the person time now she no go fit come call the person. Say make the person come. Make the person come back. So all I just need to do is to exercise patience. If I know say I go feel wait. Now say okay, then I will wait. Now say I go wait, no wahala. So now so the something take happen, my people. I can't wait almost an hour before the woman come. So as the woman come, wait there for the this thing, wait there for the castle that weekend. So she come, she come meet me. She say, waiting they happen. She I collect the completion to her. So now I come show her the boat receipt. I said, show her. She come tell me say, whether na she make mistake. Now I say yes, now you make mistake. Now I say you mark am for this old receipt say I return her, but you no minus am from the new one. Now I say check it very well. So she come tell me say okay, she dey come. So now my sister come tell the wait. So at the end of the day, about 10-15 minutes later, I come say she with another our other colleague come. They come bring 5 pairs of shoes. Say make I look at whether I will still remember the shoes when I return. Now I say I will remember them very well. You never take. So I can't look the shoes. Really, now the shoes when I return, they come tell me say so now 5. So he complain. I say no, I returned 6 pairs of shoes. Now say if you people have camera, you go and replay that camera there. Una go see her for there. They say okay, which other one? Now I come tell her the marker. I come tell her na gauze. They say gauze. Which color? Now say you dey crazy. Now wife, now say you dey mad. The time they ask me say which color. I don't tell you the marker of the shoe. You see there, e not there for receipt for there. Or una look me say I don't know what they do. So I not get work. I just enter inside code. Say I say I want come receive code. Okay, man, no vex. They don't say for them. I say go and look for it. I say go look for her come. I say come back. What size? Now say you are crazy. Now say you are very mad. You know what you do. You know what they do you. So my people, now so I not see. So at the end of the day, so the other one waiting for this thing for counter when I be done where I fed meet where they talk here. That one be done call police. Okay? That one they even call police before a colleague come. So at the end of the day when they come see and say a colleague don't come tell and say now we dey wrong go. We not come carry fine give our own self for be able for the say something. You were too fast to do that. You know? You were too fast to do that. And she can say, okay, no wahala. Okay, how much we can need to give the woman back? And I said 19 euro 19 cents. Now they take give her sister money back. Una see and so now they give her sister money back. Although the woman that was there that Saturday when I go there, she really apologized to me. If na black woman, maybe she for even me down. They begged me, say please. We are sorry, please, no vex. We are very, very sorry. It was my fault. You know that day we don't almost close. We can't do worry and things like that. So I said, my people, I said the thing weak me. The thing shocked me. Like, for my right again. So you want call police? You want call police for me? for wetin I know say like I dey right, but you say you wan call police for this one na small one when I don tell una so. The one wey we go talk when I go share with una for live video on Saturday, na that this one na even small one. Till then, till that Saturday, make I just off it without that one first. So na so the matter come take end o, my beloved people. So they can't give me my money back. Then that woman wey dey for castle wey be say don already quick and take call police now. She come begin like they call police back, say no, everything is okay, make them not come again, blah 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 blah, this that. So now come tell us, now I say one come on, now tell us, now say you are a very very unpolite person. Person like you not good at fake offering. Now say you're not good as a marketer, you're not good as a seller. They're not supposed to put you for you. Now say you are very very rude. Now say you see the way your colleague is apologizing. You cannot apologize and you are a foreigner. So I talk about the woman where be say na me and I meet for the castle. So now got them say yeah, say she's from Polish. Now say you see you. Now say because you think you speak fluent German more than me, you want form before say na German, na you be. Now say you see your life. Now say you see you now. Now say you see your life the way your life is so. Now say come on sorry you know fit should it go tooth me light make I not vex you know. Now say even if you don't know, you could have been more polite. Oh, I'm sorry, oh, I cannot help you with this, just wait a moment, let my colleague come. Now say but at the end of the day I can't sit down. That's what I tell her. So I said this thing weak me for about a week. When I even wish herself when my husband come back for when I tell her, my husband like seriously, when you owe your receipt, okay now. So my people, it's very very important when you buy something, even if now 1 cent something, collect your receipt. If you take that receipt with something, they tell you say you need them back, tell they say yes you need them back because you never can tell. This one so now just one of the hot one wey happen to me inside this December period. So the other 3 I will share it with you on live video on Saturday. Try to join me on Saturday evening, at least from 7:30, 8 o'clock. I will don't come out. Try to join me. Let me share it with you. So it's very very and this language of a thing too. It's also very very serious. It's also very very important. Even though say you know they speak and well, at least make you the train they follow them. Make you dey understand where they talk. Because if not, just imagine say if na person will be say you know the year go come or one thing and that woman speaks fluent English, you not follow me speaking English because you don't see say call or wahala don't come, okay? You not follow me speaking form like say you know they speak English. So just imagine say if na person will be say you know sabi speak English, or if na those people will be say like they not they brave. You know some people just they want to hear police, don't they fear, their heart will just dey cut. Police not they do anything. Police not they buy person. They are human being like me and you. They are for peace, they are for justice. Now for them to come, they will come settle case. Who wrong, they tell us, oh yeah, now you wrong. Who right, they tell us, okay, take your right, take your justice and go. That is what police does. They know they buy person, don't they call person neck they throw away. But if na person will be say like they get fright for police that they know, they don't talk police, go say, I bet me kukumo na carry go. Because me, I know they too carry money like that, but now when I reach this land, so now then now I come begin to say every 1 cent is very important. Because for here, when you buy something for supermarket or anywhere, you make 1 cent. My guy, you they drop something, they will tell you say you have to drop something for 1 cent. Now they tell you so. Now come at 19 euro, 90 cents, almost 20 euro. Make a dash you now. Say because say na Angela Mikel sister na be or Angela Mikel relative. Well, even Angela Mikel say no go dash on that money for free because she's working every day for that office where be say she did so. So my people, now be this one oh, now waiting me una never see me for some time. He join. This one just join, but not be the meeting. I go tell na the meeting for live video on Saturday. This one just join because the thing break me. Like I was in shock for some days. I can't ask myself, say, are they for dream or wanting? So I beg you, be wise. Always stand on your right. But be very sure that you are 100% right. Stand on it. Nothing they happen. If you like me, they carry for here, carry you go court. Now you go win because you know say you did right and you get all your evidence and everything. So my country people, make I live now, make I can't go. So try to join me here on Saturday evening from 7:30 7:30, 8 o'clock, okay, p.m. Europe time. Okay, guys, so thank you for your time. I thank you for watching this video. I hope say somebody don't pick something from this video. If you're new here, don't forget subscribe, turn on your notification bell, click on that option all, so that when I dey live or when I dey new video, now you will be the first person to they get that notification. So I love you all, guys. I will see you now for my next video. I will see you all on Saturday. Once again, Merry Christmas to you all and a prosperous new year to come. Bye bye, guys. Bye.